Hello everyone. So today we are going to study a solutions chapter from class 12 chemistry. Before discussing solutions, we are going to discuss states of matter that you have studied in class 11th. States of matter. I hope you all know about it. The three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. In liquid topic, we are going to further study out solutions. So firstly, we are describing each step like solid, liquid and gases. Solids are the substances in which atoms or molecules are tightly bounded. There is no free space between them. Like that. There is no free space between them. Okay. Atoms here, atoms or molecules here cannot move. Okay. So for example, my marker and this board is solid. If I stretch it, it will not be stretched. If I pressed it, it will not be pressed. Okay, so it's a type example of solid. Coming to next, it's liquid. Liquid is a type of substance. It has one specialty that if we pour it in any kind of vessel, it will take its shape. Like if I put into a bucket, it will take shape of a bucket. If I put it in a beaker, it will take shape of a beaker. Okay. Here molecules can move. For liquid, let me rub it. Liquid. Here molecules can move and can conduct electricity. In the presence of free ions. In the presence of free ions. And for that previous one, solid, here molecules cannot move, so can't conduct electricity, but can conduct electricity in molten state. molten state मतलब पिघली हुई स्टेट से बोलते हैं molten state. Okay. So here free ions can be present and can conduct electricity. यहाँ पर electricity conduct की जा सकती है. Solid, liquid. Next is gas. So in gases में हम देखेंगे कि here molecules are far apart. molecules बहुत दूर दूर होते हैं. Sorry. Far apart. For example, I covered this area of cloud. For example, like gas, this is a gas cloud. So here molecules are like that. There are very free space between them. इन दोनों के बीच बहुत free space होता है. So molecule can move in any random direction. और इसी की वजह से, like for example, if we ignite incense stick, हिंदी में जैसे बोलते हैं अगरबत्ती, हम जब पूजा करते हैं तो अगरबत्ती लगाते हैं तो खुशबू आती है, वो इसी वजह से आती है क्योंकि दैट्स आर gas molecules moving here and there. So here we have discussed about three states: solid, liquid and gases. Now moving further in depth of solid. So in depth of solid I am considering solution. Solution is of two types: homogeneous solution and heterogeneous. Homogeneous solution is that type of solution in which only one solute is dissolved or it is uniformly dissolved throughout a mixture, and in heterogeneous solution there are more than one type of mixtures. This topic we will discuss later. Firstly we are going to study about homogeneous. Okay, for example, this is a water filled in a beaker and I have put sugar in it, and this is called sugar solution. So this is a type of homogeneous solution in which it is uniformly distributed, and if I put more than sugar and any other substance, it will called heterogeneous solution. Let me move further and discussing about some different types of varieties like solid, liquid, solid, gas. Like that, here it is dispersed phase, and this is called dispersion medium. It is in larger quantity. I repeat, it is in larger quantity. It is in small quantity. For example, you can consider it. I am just saying you can consider for your own thinking that it is solute and it is solvent. It is more in quantity. It is less in quantity. So its example will be solid, and solid means alloys, metals, non-metals, alloys. Solid and solid. When you take mixture of solid and solid, you will get alloys. When you take mixture of solid and liquid, here liquid is in more quantity, solid is in less, you will get hydrated salt mixture. When you take solid as a dispersed phase and gas as a dispersion medium, you will get dissolved gases in minerals. This was the first category. Now second category, I am taking solvent as a liquid. So here liquid and liquid. Solute will be changing solid, liquid, gas. So its example will be solid and liquid. It will be a salt water mixture or salt solution, you can say. Salt solution. Liquid and liquid will be alcohol water mixture, not alcohol water, sorry, only alcohol mixture. And gas and liquid will be aerated drinks, soft drinks, you can say cold drinks. Okay. So this was the second category. Now the third category will be when the solvent will be taken as a gas. Solvent and solute. Gas. Here it is be solid, liquid and gas. Its examples are solid in gas will be iodine vapors. Okay. Liquid in gas means moisture or humidity you can say. And gas will be air. Okay. So always remember, solvent will be taken in a larger proportion. I am writing it here. It will be taken as in larger proportion or more quantity, and it will be in less quantity as compared to that of the solvent. Okay. So let me again repeat it. When you take solvent as a solid, and solute will be different. Like solid and solid will be giving you alloys. Liquid and solid means solvent liquid is already there and you are pouring liquid. It will be example of hydrated salt mixture. And when gas will be mixing with solid, it will be maintaining dissolved gases and minerals. Similarly, when solid is mixed in liquid, there is salt water mixture. Liquid and liquid will be alcohol mixture. Gas and solid will be aerated drinks or soft drinks or carbonated beverages. When solvent is taken as a gas and you mix solid in it, it will be iodine vapor mixture, or you can say iodine vapors present in the air. You can say it also like that. And when liquid will be dissolving in the gas, it will be moisture or humidity, and gas will be air. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. Keep study, keep hard working. Thank you very much.